Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother HL-L6200DW printer driver download and installation. So first guys, open any browsers to Google search box to like this and search it. So in the result, first option support.brother.com, this official website. So click on it. The Windows, Mac, Linux, mobile, Windows. So Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 10, so you can see this video and you can download because of the printer driver download and installations process same. Then click OK. After that, this is full options with the software. This is a printer driver. So click on it. Scroll down. Click to download. Agree to download. So it will start downloading in the download box. So it's 29.2 MB. So now guys, on your printer and connect to your desktop laptop via printer USB cable and click on this. After that, click on this icon, so it will open where it is downloaded. Then right click to open, so it will create new folder on same locations. So this is your printer driver. Now try to install the printer. Click to start and then setting, then Bluetooth and device, and then printer and scanner. Then click to add device. It will open the manual options within 5 seconds. Okay, click on it. Then select the last, add a local or printer network within a manual setting. Then next, click to have disk. Then click to browse. Go to these locations where it is extract and created new folder. So this is INF file. So select the INF file. Okay. Then click to open and then click to OK. Now find out HL-L6200DW. So this is your printer, and then click to next, 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 and finish. So you can see guys, your printer is installed. Okay, so before printing you have to restart your printer and your desktop laptop which is you connected. Then guys, third method, if you want to share on this printer on the network, so click on the printer property and then sharing, check this, then click to security and then click to add, type EVE and check name. So after that it will come the everyone, then click to OK. Okay, select the everyone, then give the access for 3 dot, then apply and then OK. Now guys, your printer is installed and also shared on the network. Thank you.